Okay guys, day 14 of the algorithms challenge. Today we're gonna do the FizzBuzz, one of the classic algorithms problem. And it's actually not hard at all. But let's read it through. So write a program that outputs the string representation of numbers from 1 to n. But for multiples of 3, it should output fizz instead of the number. And the result of the output 5 multiples of 5 should be buzz. For numbers which are multiples of both 3 and 5, output FizzBuzz. Actually, I got asked this question in a project at the university interview, and I couldn't get this right about 1 year and a half ago. So if you're thinking, oh, this recursion thing I'll never be able to do, look, I couldn't even do this problem. So if you just keep working on it, eventually you'll be good. You'll get better. Uh, the only tricky part about this problem is when it's multiple of both 3 and 5. And one common problem is for you to uh, like check for the condition that it is divisible by 3 and then by 5 and then by 3 and 5. 3 and 5. The problem with this, and it's exactly what I did when I solved it, is when you have 15, it will fall in the first case. Actually, this is else if, and this is else. So 15, it will fall in this case. It will never reach the else case. And we'll get fizz instead of FizzBuzz. We'll get the wrong answer. So this line of code should be the first one. This is the most people's mistake in this problem. But apart from that, it's nothing hard. So you declare array because he wants it returned as an array. And you're gonna go from 1 to n plus 1 because you want to go n up to n, which is the number he passes to you. And if I divided by 3 equals 0 and equals 0, you append FizzBuzz. Elif, then you just do one and the other. So if it's divided by 3, you return fizz. If it's multiple of 5, you append to the array bus. Otherwise, you just append the string representation of the number, which is gonna be to cast it, you just put str to a string and then you return the array. And there we have it, FizzBuzz. So remember, this part has to come first, otherwise will not get picked. Also remember to cast it to a string, because we want the string representation of the number. And that's it, an easier problem today. So if you have any suggestions, just fill out the form, it's in the description. If you wanna be part of the community of the channel, just get into the Facebook group, it's on the description, and subscribe and like the video if you enjoy it. I really appreciate it. Thank you.